pelicans are among the heaviest flying birds in the world, weighing up to 10 kilos. A V formation is the most energy-efficient means of flying. It significantly reduces drag for the bird behind. Cape gannets plunge deep, hunting fish beyond the reach of the pelicans. But the pelicans aren't after fish. Their sights are set on a bigger catch. Malgas Island is the nesting ground for some 60,000 Cape gannets. Normally, one gannet parent goes off fishing while the other looks after the chick. But declining fish stocks means both parents are often away hunting at the same time.